I heard this very different bird call, came out and saw that bird. And I thought, it's not a little corella, but it looks like one. Is there something wrong with it? Has it got a sickness or a problem? But in actual fact, it's a rare visitor to our shores. This is a long-billed corella, and mainly they live in South Australia, at the Riverina and Victoria. So if all the strong storms and winds we've had lately from South Australia, I wonder if this fellow was blowing here, because I have never seen anything like it in my life. We burst into song. So enjoy these rare moments of this very rare bird for our area of New South Wales. As I say, I've been here 26 years, 27 years actually, and never ever seen one like this before. It uses its long bill to dig up bulbs and roots, and the bird makes its nest in a tree hollow.